Welcome back to another short pattern keeper tutorial. Today we're going to take a very quick look at a new feature that has come in recently to assist those who are using charts where you've manually assigned the grid yourself. So in video number 18 we looked at how to manually assign a grid, and we used this free Paris chart that I got from Madame Lefay. So if you haven't looked at that video, it's worth having a look at. So today we're going to look at the fact that there is now a function to allow you to manually highlight or manually search your chart and highlight so that you can then follow the highlights rather than just looking for the symbols. So I've opened up the chart and I will go into markup mode on the top here, and I'm going to search or highlight these round symbols. So as I select the first one, you can see that we now have two extra icons on the right hand side, a search and a clear search. So I'm going to work my way down here just to give the example, and I'm going to select these symbols and I'll work through a few of them. Here we are. And I'm going to mark them as a search. So as you can see now, it is going through each of them and marking them as highlighted for me to search. This means that I've now got these nice green highlights to follow instead of trying to look for the circle symbol each time. So now if I'm marking off, I can do the usual and I can mark them off, and those will be marked as done, and we can see they've gone grey. And if I don't want to see the highlighting anymore, maybe I'm not going to do the green anymore, I'm going to go to do another colour and I'm going to pick another symbol. I can then clear that search, which will work through now, and I can start selecting another symbol and work through this to search instead. So obviously it's not going to do the work for you, but it does mean, especially if you're working on a black and white chart, I think personally that it will help you to actually set either a highlight that's consistent just to allow you to cross country and work your way down that symbol, or if you like to work out the route of your stitching, I think that would work equally well. So as I said, this is only a very quick video to show this new function, and I hope you find it useful. Look forward to speaking to you soon. Stay safe and happy stitching.